PLACKERS Grind No More Dental Night Protector, 14 count. Easy to throw away. The first of its kind ready-to-use night guard offers a pretty good price as far as money-wise solution that provides beautiful comfort protection and is clean. One size fits all, may be worn on upper or lower teeth. Instant fit, no boiling, cutting, or molded needed. It's a perfect fit. Every time, wear up to 3 days and throw away. Flexible. Bite plate grooves, absorbing bite plates, and bite plate lips work together for amazing protection. All in one. Meets the demanding need of both the clenchers and the grinders. So this is good for both your top and bottom teeth. So if you buy this off of Amazon, it's $15.79.